Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. I'm a lash tech from Florida, and today I'm going to show you how to make lash fans. First things first, Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2022, and it's only right that I come out with a banger. If you're new here, my name is Rose. I'm a lash tech from Florida, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make lash fans using the pinching method. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn on your post notification. I have so much content, and I can't wait to grow with you guys. Today I'm going to show you how I make my lash fans. There's a lot of ways to make fans, but I gravitated towards the pinching method because it's easier for me to do. So if you're a pinching girl, here are some tips on making fans. Your tweezers are very important, if not the most important part of making your fans. Today I'm using the LASH tweezers from Amazon. This is the best tweezer I've seen thus far. I've used a lot of tweezers, and this is a very affordable tweezer that I love using so much. I will link it down in the description box below because you can't find it on Amazon. And I'm also using this glue ring from Amazon also. And like I said, I always purchase my lashes from a vendor, so this is not from like an actual brand. But I will be using the length 14 and 0.5 diameters and CC curls. So tip number one is to always practice making your fans. If you have a slow day, practice. If you have some time prior to your appointment, practice. If you are bored, practice. Whenever you have some downtime and you are thinking about lashes, just practice making your fans. So I'm going to show you guys how I make them naturally, and I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys step by step what I do in order to make these fans. Okay, so here you go in slow-mo. I am going to pick up the lashes, not from the middle, but closer to the base of the lashes, but not directly in the middle. And I'm going to be pulling it towards me, gripping tightly. Then once my finger starts to do the shimmy left to right, I release the tweezers just a little bit. And then I dip it in the glue without using a lot of glue. And here I am just perfecting the base to what I like. And then here you go. There's my fan. I'm going to show you guys again. Here I am pulling. Then I'm shimmying to the left to the right, slowly releasing pressure from the tweezer. And then I'm going to slightly dip and then perfect my base to my liking. And ta-da! Here you go one more time in slow-mo. I'm going to pick up my lashes, not from the middle, but a bit lower than the middle. And I'm pulling it towards me. And this is a good way to know if you need to switch your tweezers. You will have a lot of flyaways if your tweezers need to be changed. But you can also take it off like I did here. Then I'm going to go ahead and pinch. And you will see once I start twisting, I slowly release pressure from the tweezer. And then that helps me make the perfect fan. Then you dipped, perfect, and ta-da. Another tip is to kind of slant your tweezers when approaching the lash strip. Like here, I am going to the tweezers straight out, and that doesn't give me enough grip to pick up all the lashes that needs to be picked up. But when you slant your tweezers away from you, like I'm doing here, it gives you a better grip to pull the lashes forward and helps you create a perfect base, which what creates the perfect fan. Like I said in the beginning of the video, your tweezers really do play a big part to making the perfect fan. So definitely invest in a good tweezer. If you are a fan of booted tweezers, I strongly recommend these tweezers from Amazon. They work perfectly for me when I started making fans, so maybe they will work perfectly for you. And the last tip on making fans is to understand that it's not about the perfect fan, it's about a better fan. So do not focus on getting the perfect fan every single time, but focus on getting better fans every single time. And also, if you are a beginner at making fans, do not spend any more money. All you need is a tweezer and your lashes and some glue. Don't go buying more and more expensive tweezers. Sometimes you really just need to spend time with that tweezer and get used to it. So stop buying tweezers, stop buying glue, stop buying different lashes. Literally what you have is all that you need to make the perfect lashes. So just take time to practice and to get better at making these fans and you will be okay. But take time. It takes time, y'all. I'm gonna let you guys watch me make some more fans. For those who are doing it with me, look at how my hands move. Hopefully that technique works for you. And if you did try my technique, let me know how your fans came out, if it helped you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in other lash tips and tricks, go ahead and check out my channel. And if you just want to know how a lash tech is living nowadays, go ahead and subscribe, like, and go on this journey with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you when the sun rises. Bye.